Hello, beautiful. Today we're gonna try out. Honestly, I don't want to say her name because I feel like I'm gonna butcher it, but I'm sure some of you, or most of you who are watching this, know who she is. She is from Squid Game and she has a very popular skincare slash beauty routine tutorial on Vogue. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate that. So if you would like to see, just keep watching.
Hi, I'm Hoyeon. I'm gonna show you my skincare and my makeup. My skincare is custom from clinic in Korea. Neck, essence.
So apparently she has custom skincare. I do not, but I still have some pretty good skincare. So I'm gonna start off with the essence. This is the SK2 essence. Her essence is creamy. I thought essences were usually like water-based. And I'm also using a reusable cotton pad. And then I'm gonna tap it in like she does.
Cream.
Okay. Then she goes in with moisturizer. We are using the Shiseido White Lucent line. This is an SPF sunscreen. It has SPF 23 in it. So I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna do 2 fingers. Push on her cheek, turn here, her nose. Okay.
Other side. When your eyes puffy in the morning, you can massage here like this. When you feel like your face is swollen, push this point. This is good for circulation.
And then she does a massage. Let me rewind that. She like massages the back of her neck. I think this is how she's doing it. Oh, this is interesting. I usually don't give myself a massage. It actually feels kind of good. So she's massaging her eyes like this. Oh, this looks really weird. I can't say that my eyes were puffy, but I feel like I should still do this. This oddly feels pretty good. I feel like these massage things are like waking me up. Wow. I feel like a new person already. So she goes and she presses her hand, which I find quite interesting. I don't have that tool. I'm pretty sure you could just use your hand and press it. I think this is actually a good time to try this since I am on my period. I feel like I could see if this really helps to like depuff the face. Oh wow, I feel like my face is getting depuffed already. Just kidding. I think I'm gonna incorporate this in my morning routine where I do like little massages like this because I feel like it's waking up my brain.
This is my favorite thing.
Lip balm. I actually have a Dr. Paul's lip balm, but it's not my favorite. So I'm gonna go with what I normally use. I'm gonna use the Aquaphor lip balm. You can't see it, it's too bright. Okay, now what does she do?
Yay. Behind your ear.
Okay, so she takes these anti-stress drops. I don't have that, but I do have CBD oil. I'm pretty sure it's gotta work the same way.
Like this. Darkest point.
Okay, now this part is interesting. She's only using concealer. I personally would use like a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. I have used this method before where all I did was concealer, but I haven't done it in years. I want to take a more natural looking concealer, something not too heavy. So I'm going to take my Pat McGrath concealer because I feel like this one is just so natural, like it's too natural that I don't like using it underneath my eyes. And I don't know what concealer she's using, but the thing, her blonde was very smooth. So I'm gonna have to just this 1, 2, 3. It's so interesting how it's really far away from her eye.
Darkest point.
That's actually not bad. This Pat McGrath concealer is really good. You can't even tell that I have any concealer on. I am quite happy with that. I would definitely set my brows with some clear brow gel because they're not going to stay like this. And then she brushes her eyelashes. I've never done this before. Okay. Sneezing while curling your lashes. Wow. Man, this is a really good eyelash curler from Shiseido.
Tissue? Okay. I'm gonna start with brown lip for my whole lip. Put this in middle side.
But I think you're supposed to tear it in half. I'm surprised there's no blush in this whole thing. I definitely would probably put a little bit of blush, or at least put this color on my cheeks. Then I'm taking this colourpop lippie sticks. They're both from colourpop, by the way. This one is this Animal Crossing collection, and this is in coconut juice, probably one of my favorite colors from the lip crayons. I'm gonna take this, and then she just puts it on the bottom lip in the center. I feel like hers looks softer and less shiny, so I'm gonna blot it. I'm actually happy with that. I like it. Let me know down in the comments what you think about her beauty routine. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more beauty content. In case you are interested in what I think about Squid Game, I think I only watched the first episode and then I stopped. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. And then I was reading everywhere that people said the ending was horrible, but I did play the what's it called again? I always want to call it Squid Game on the that blinking game on Instagram. Yeah, okay, that's it. Yep. It's a very short video. I mean, her Vogue video is like not even 2 minutes, so. I think my favorite thing from this routine was the massaging. The massaging was nice.